Blizzard. What is a blizzard? Blizzards are dangerous winter storms that are a combination of blowing snow and wind resulting in very low visibility. Blizzards are when warm air and cold air are brought together. A front is formed and snow can form. Winter storms put a higher risk of car accidents, hypothermia, frostbite, carbon monoxide poisoning, and heart attacks. Hypothermia is defined as a body core temperature below 35 degrees Celsius in humans. Carbon monoxide poisoning typically occurs from breathing in carbon monoxide at excessive levels. The Great Blizzard of 1888. The Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great Blizzard of 88, or the Great White Hurricane, which happened on March 11, 1888 to March 14, 1888, was one of the most severe recorded blizzards in American history. The storm paralyzed the east coast from the Chesapeake Bay to Maine, as well as the Atlantic provinces of Canada. Snow fell from 10 to 58 inches in parts of New Jersey, New York, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut, and sustained winds of more than 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers. The Great Blizzard of 1888 is the most famous blizzard. The damage cost $25 million in 1888, which is equivalent to $850 million in 2024. 400 deaths on that day. It happened on March 11, 1888 to March 14, 1888. It's the fourth deadliest blizzard in the world. It lasted about 3 days in total. How did the Great Blizzard of 1888 occur? After a mild western snowstorm and the southern warm front converged to create one of the worst winter storms in American history. The snowfall began on the night of Sunday, March 11th, and by Monday morning, 10 inches, 250 millimeters, had fallen in New York City. Great Blizzard of 88. A winter storm that pummeled the Atlantic coast of the United States from Chesapeake Bay to Maine in March 1888. The blizzard caused more than $20 million in property damage in New York City alone and killed more than 400 people, including about 100 sailors across the eastern sea. Photos of the Great Blizzard of 88. How to survive in blizzard? In my opinion, if I lived in a country places like Russia, Central and Northeastern Asia, Northern Europe, Canada, and the Northern United States, where there was as many blizzards, I would get a safety bag which has food, water, and warm clothes and a safety kit. You should always close up unneeded rooms to avoid wasting heat, stuff towels or rags and cracks in your doors, close blinds or curtains to keep in some heat, eat and drink. Food provides the body with energy for reducing its own heat, and wear layers of loose fitting, lightweight, warm clothing.
Okay, some constructive criticism for Mesk, Evelyn, and Nada.
I think she did really good, but I think she could be a little bit louder, but I think she did good.
Fantastic, Nada.
It's like really good. I like the information she gave us. But one thing she can do is get louder voice and like everything else is like
Better man.
everything was good. Exactly. And then she has to and make her voice louder.
And me.
I like the way that she faces the audience.
You like that she faced the audience? Yeah, it's tricky to do, so well done, Mesk. Good girl.